How to send a message to someone on Roblox without being friends. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to send a message to someone on Roblox even if you're not friends. So this process is quick and simple, so please follow along. First of all, you need to go to the Roblox website and use the search bar at the top of the screen to find the person you want to message. Type in their name in the people section of the search results, and once you find them, open their profile and check if the message button is grayed out. If it is like that, you won't be able to message them without being their friends. This happens because they have restricted their privacy settings. To message people who are not your friends, they need to have to set their privacy option for messages to everyone. You can check and change this in your own settings under the privacy tab as well. You have the following options of friends, users I follow, no one, or everyone. You can only send messages to those who have selected everyone. In another example, if you see the message button is active, it means that the person allows messages from everyone. Make sure your own privacy setting also allows everyone to message you so they can reply. So this was all about it. I hope this video helps you learn how to message someone on Roblox without being friends. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.